Hey, I'm Lewis. I'm the Electrical Service Manager here at Jaric. Surge protection for your house is really important for when you have blackouts, brownouts can occur in your house. What it is essentially a consumable cartridge that lives in your switchboard. When you have storm, power lines go down because you've had something hit your local trees, the local area is browning out, they essentially divert damaging voltages to your property. The benefit of that is that when you have a surge happen in your house, you're going to lose a small cartridge in your switchboard and not the electronics in your ducted system, your TVs, potentially the EV charge to the car. January 2027, smoke alarms are required in every premises in Queensland, in all of your major bedrooms, as well as any interconnected hallways. The 1st of January 2027, essentially you will be voiding your fire insurance on your property if you do not have connected smoke alarms in your property. Also, it's current, but any landlord that rents a property must have smoke alarms installed according to the latest Queensland safety regulations. We have a couple of really interesting technical solutions with these, new wireless models, as well as models that are connected to apps and phones that let you know when there is a fire going off in your house, where it is, send messages out to you as well to let you know that there's a fire going even if you're not home. RCDs essentially are what we call a safety switch. Known as a residual current device, they basically pick up when something is unsafe in the installation. Say you've managed to touch a live wire, piece of electrical equipment shorted somehow and you've touched it. And whereas potentially before with circuit breakers and fuses you would have been shocked, they're designed to basically turn the power off within 0.3 of a second to save life, property, homes. They've been required since April in 2023. Emergency lighting is a big requirement for businesses as well as high occupancy dwellings. Basically, if you've got a building above 300 square meters or a building that has multiple levels, in the event of an emergency, you've got to have emergency lighting per the Electrical Safety Act. This also requires regular routine maintenance as well. Every 6 months, you basically do a discharge test, prove that your emergency lights are working and that they're going to last for the required 90 minutes when power goes out. We do as a regular service, going around commercial properties, high rises, etc., and performing regular maintenance. Keeping on top of it is really important, as these are usually designed to last quite a long time. You really want to have someone that's making sure all your assets are there, they all work the way they should, and that in the event of an emergency, they are going to be there. Coupled with that, when you are a commercial premises as well, you've got to have your RCDs up to date. They've got to be tested every 6 and 12 months, pretty similar to your emergency lights. Also, every 12 months, we've got to do a proper electrical test on them as well. This is the minimum requirement in Queensland for businesses to make sure that your premises is electrically safe up to the newest Safety Act.